Okay, let's talk about something that's difficult, but so important. It's a huge task, right? It needs an incredible, really systematic response to get it right. The first instinct might be visual recognition, but it's often unreliable and deeply traumatic. Yeah, experts warn that when people are in shock, mistakes can happen. It's a huge risk. So, how do they actually bring order to all that chaos? Well, they have a system. It's Interpol's DVI guide. This is the standardized framework used by forensic teams all over the world. And the core idea? It's actually pretty simple, but it's incredibly powerful. First, teams collect what's called antemortem data. That's all the info from before someone died. Then they gather postmortem evidence, so all the physical information recovered right from the scene. So how does this all come together? The whole process really breaks down into 3 key stages. But what kind of evidence gives you that absolute certainty? It's got to be hard scientific proof. We're talking about the big 3: fingerprints, dental records, and of course, the power of DNA. Think about it. Our dental records are so unique. They can often identify someone all by themselves. And then there's DNA. It has completely revolutionized everything. It's just so incredibly accurate. And get this, sometimes all they need is a tiny piece of bone to get a DNA profile. Okay, so all this data gets brought together in one place for the final matching process. Specialists use this, an elimination table. They compare every missing person to every set of remains. Each specialty looks for things that don't match, marking an X to rule out a person. What's the goal here? It's simple. One positive, certain identification for every single victim. And a final board reviews everything. They have to confirm every single match with multiple lines of proof. So you have to ask, why go through all this? Why is this work so incredibly important? Because for families, for whole communities, this work is a vital part of how they begin to heal. It's about providing answers. It's about restoring dignity and, finally, allowing for some kind of closure. In the face of just overwhelming tragedy, giving someone back their name is a profound act of humanity.